everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today we are going to discuss about how to create opportunities from appointments in your Odoo calendar module. So it's very easy and simple step. You guys just need to enable one configure option which is called create opportunities. And this option will capture information from scheduled appointments and create opportunities in CRM app. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the calendar module. Let's move to the appointment. And let me show you using a real-time example. For that, let's create a new appointment. So let's consider this as software demo. And it's basically conducting Michelle admin to his customer or client. Okay, and here we have further configure option and I don't want to change any of them, and let's directly move to the option side. And there you can find an option which is called create opportunity. So for each scheduled appointment, create a new opportunity and assign it to the responsible person. So let's enable this option. After that, let's move to the question side, and this is optional. You guys can easily add some question that you guys can ask to your customer or client, and this is very helpful for your salesperson. So let's add some question. So what we can easily ask? Okay, let's ask what kind of business that you are running. And let's move to the next option, which is answer type. So let it be a drop down. No, let it be a single line text. Okay, so after that, let's give this as a mandatory answer and save and new. Let's move to save and new. And let me ask one more question, like, are you interested to purchase software? And let it be a drop down. Let's add some lines like yes or no. And let's enable mandatory answer. After that, let's save and new. And there will be one more question. What kind of version that you prefer? Okay. So let's add one more drop down. One is free and another is paid. Let's enable mandatory answer. After that, let's save and close. So our three questions are created and you can see. And yeah, once we are done with all of this, let's save this. Okay, and let's go to the website. We need to publish this. So once we publish, you know that it will be shown on your website, and yeah, there you can see all of the details. And let's consider Tina as our customer and she needs to book this appointment. Okay, so Tina is basically specifying the date. After that, she need to select a time and she need to give every details. So let's give it's Tina. Let's remove the email and keep the specific email of Tina. After that, she needs to fill up all these questions, right? So Gina is basically running up a jewelry shop. And here we have another question. Are you interested to purchase software? Right. So she basically gonna set yes to that. And what kind of version that you prefer? She prefer a paid version. Once she done with all of this thing, she need to confirm this appointment, right? So once she done that, she will get a message which is appointment scheduled, and there will be other options. Other information regarding to the corresponding appointment. And let's directly move to the appointment side. And there you can see an appointment which is called software demo. And once we open that, under the list view, there you can find an appointment, right? So let's move to the CRM app and let's see whether the opportunity is created or not. So let's remove my pipeline and there you can see, yeah, our opportunity is basically created. So once we click on that, you can see Tina's software demo, it's already created, and there you can find or the information regarding this particular opportunity. Like what are the questions that we have asked and what she answered, everything. And so you can say the salesperson is basically Michelle admin, and you guys can also remove Michelle admin here and you can add another salesperson and everything. Okay, so that's all about how to create CRM opportunities from an appointment. So each after booking of the particular appointment, that will be creating CRM opportunities. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day. Thank you.